So the way the broadcaster tool works is it takes your entire list and it displays all of your friends. So we're going to go down here. We're going to click on create list. I'm going to name it test broadcast list. And I'm just going to select a few people to add to that list. And you can also type in the name if you want to select that way, or you can just scroll down. So let's see, let me just add a couple more. Okay, and I'll leave it at that. So how many we have? We have 6. All right, so now this is automatically saved as your broadcast list. So you can create another list, multiple lists, and whoever you drag down to that broadcast list will remain saved until you choose to come over here to click for deletion. If you want to remove a person from your list, once you have it loaded up, you can simply click on them and they automatically are taken out of that list. You can also export your broadcast list and save it to a place where you're going to keep it nice and safe. And at a later time, you can come back in and import your list. If, say, for example, you're using a different device that has Social Prospector Pro installed on, you can also import that list between different devices. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to come over here. I'm going to click on Mass Messenger, and you're going to see that this option is now unlocked if you're a Pro member. And you click on that, it's going to display all of the broadcast lists. You're going to click on Test Broadcast, which is the name of the list that I created. And remember, there was 5 people on my broadcast list. So if you follow the daily recommendation that we give you, which is no more than 30 messages per day, say, for example, you have a list made up of 100 people or even 90 people. So at that rate, it will take you 3 days to deliver that broadcast message. Okay, it's completely up to you. If you want to send a message to 90 people, that's the risk that you're willing to take. But again, we recommend 30 a day. So if you want to follow exactly what we do, you will click right here where it says number of friends to send to, and you will click 30, right? But for the sake of this demonstration, I have 5 people on the list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to send to 3. I'm going to have a 5-second wait in between, and I'm going to quickly create the message. There we go. This is a test message. I'm creating a broadcast. I'm creating a tutorial video and need to use this as an example. I'm going to click add, and I want to come down here to click send. Now watch what happens. Okay, so you can see it successfully sent 3 messages. Now, what about the remaining 2 people that haven't received the message yet? So that's why you see 2 out of 5. So the total recipients making up this broadcast list are 5 people. Now we've sent 3, so it's telling us that we have 2 more remaining. So again, if you had a list of 100 friends and you sent out 30, this number will say 70 and this number will say 100. Now, if it was a broadcast that happened today and only today, and you don't want to send a continuation of these broadcast messages, you can always come down here to click the X and it clears it out. It basically reset that list of sent messages to that particular broadcast group. You've cleared that out, and now you can send to your entire list again.